Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your Snapchat application. Now select the profile icon which is on the top left corner. Now scroll down and here select my friends option. Now here are all of your Snapchat friends that you have on your Snapchat account. So there are two ways to do it. The first way is to tap and hold on each and every contact, and after that you need to select on the delete button, and that's how you guys can successfully delete each and every contact in your Snapchat friend list. And there is another way to do it, and that is to permanently delete your Snapchat account and make a new one so that you can start a fresh one. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.